What's up, guys? Here in my F30 328 BMW. I'm going to be changing out the ignition switch. As you can see, the ignition switch is a little worn, scratched out, however you want to say it. But yeah, this just needs to go. So this is how I got the car. I'm going to be doing a replacement for factory. I know the blue and the red ones are pretty cool, but hey, you work with what you get, you know? So we're gonna replace that with this new shiny piece. Alright, so let's get it done. So first of all, you know you need your trusty tools. Good old trim tool. A little mini screwdriver and my hook. I kind of started a little bit just to see if it was gonna be a pain in the butt or if it was going to be easy to remove to get behind the actual switch. So yeah, the thing is actually easy. So let's get it going. First you want to take here, I call this like around 5 o'clock. You can, my trim tool, I gotta order a bigger trim tool, but you really want to take the trim tool and you want to get it around the crease. If anything, you take the small screwdriver and you get it, and that's why I jam the hook in there to help pull it out. Boom, there we go. And then we will just disconnect the switch from back here, so you can see. And there we go, we have the switch release. Alright, so now that we got this bad boy out, we need to get the switch separated from the unit. As you can see, they have some tabs. Let me get my little pointer. Here's my another corner. There we go. And there we have the separation of the switch. Sorry for the poor lighting, y'all. I'm using my car light and a separate phone, but hopefully this helps someone out like previous videos has helped me. So there's 2 tabs inside here that releases the button. So I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze that. Now the tab to release, this is when I use the hook again. Try to get it inside and just give it a slight pull. I don't think that one's gonna work too good for me. There we go. Get this one. Got it. It's a little tricky. I think I'm going to use the screwdriver on one end and the hook on the other. Should allow the drop of the button itself. Those are little tricks there. Alright, y'all. After some finagling, finally got the button out. As you can see, there's two tabs. Let's get this into focus. So there's two tabs. You gotta get that to squeeze. Squeeze that, push out, push down, depending on how you position the switch. Okay. Now we're gonna insert the new. All right. Anyway, not holding up or slowing up the video. This is the new. Okay. So insert the button like this. So. Boom. Make sure everything is nice and clicking in back in form. So we'll make sure those little tabs are sitting nice and flush, because you can put it, you can insert the button and it looks like it's all the way in, but there's two tabs. Just make sure that they lift over the actual area. Oh man, I'm excited. It's starting to look good. Don't worry, soon we're going to change that too. I think I'm going to get a blue one in the future. So we're going to reattach the bottom half. The switch. Make sure everything is lined up. Click. Click, click, boom. Click, click. And again, the same principle is gonna apply. Make sure all these tabs are pressed and overlapping in their appropriate seating. Alright. Trying to make sure everybody goes down flush. Click, click, boom. 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 Alright, no worries. We just inspecting and making sure that everything is lined up the right way. This one doesn't want to see. There we go. Let's make sure. There we go. Nice. Nice. Alright, now let's reinstall. Let's make sure everything is lined up. That is nice. Tell me what y'all think, y'all. Not bad. Yeah, I know it's not pretty as far as aftermarket things go, but when you've been driving with something that's been a sort of an eyesore for so long, man, just putting back a stock item does a wonder for the improvement of the cabin. Alright, well, I will be signing off now. I hope this helped anyone who was a little apprehensive in pulling off their ignition button. Alright? So y'all be good. Enjoy.